This room hasn't been changed for so many years. And right now I believe it would be a good idea to turn this into this. This floor right here is where I keep all of my video gear. And to say the least, it's a mess. I always wanted this room to be more efficient. There has been too many times that I arrived on a shoot with an empty battery instead of a full one. I was lacking a simple but effective system. This here is my desk where I do most of my video work. The colors are a bit bland. It's white and also turning yellow. So it might be a good idea to change that as well. Before I started placing new furniture and closets, a new color might brighten up the place. I chose for this nice green paint. I decided not to do every wall, but only 2 walls, and the remaining 2 in white. A gear drawer system was on the top of my list. Just opening the drawer and picking the items that I need are essential for my business and productivity. I'm using the black version of the Malm system. To optimize the drawers, I ordered foam from a Belgian online foam shop. I made markings for every lens that I wanted to put inside to have a very snug fit. The top drawer is for my lenses, the second drawer is for my cameras and all of their accessories. I'm using the other drawers for other stuff, like my Gopro casing, external hard drives, flashes and also a light. Next up we have the charging station. The first time I saw this was in a video by Casey Neistat. It just looks so efficient. I picked up the Ikea pegboard. The material is kind of flimsy, but it does a trick. Looks quite nice too. I attached a charging bay by Satechi to the top left. This is a very handy tool because it has 3 USBs and 1 USB-C port. Underneath I have an MPF style battery charger that has a screen that tells me how much % is in the batteries. Next to that I have the Gopro battery charger. The battery chargers are attached with Velcro. Then there's this tray that allows me to put external devices on, like my wireless lavalier system or the Ronin battery, for example. The 3 baskets are for empty batteries that needs charging. Underneath the charging area, I have something that looks like a workbench, except it's not. I use this to store all of my bagged items. Bagged tripods, bagged lights, a drone, you name it. It has a smaller space that's filled with baskets for cables and little knickknacks that I sometimes use, but not all the time. The top deck is for arranging my backpacks or suitcase when I'm going out on a shoot. Another problem that I was facing was that all of my light stands and tripods were laying scattered all over the floor. So I had to find a solution for that as well. After doing some Pinterest scrolling, I came across the idea to put up guitar mounts on the wall. These work perfectly. Make sure you find the ones with adjustable arms. My desk is the same desk from Ikea that I got when I was 12 years old. I don't know the name of it, but it has a nice and handy drawer box that I can roll around. My room is not high enough for my backdrops to hold. That's why I bought these arms at the DIY shop. I made sure that they're tall enough so they can fit a box or 3. To finish things off, I ordered this Interstellar poster of AliExpress. Fantastic movie. I'm hiding this light switch that I never use with this light box. And to top it off, some extra plants. I, for one, am very happy with the end result. It makes my life as a freelance photographer and videographer way easier. I hope I gave you some inspiration to maybe tune your room as well. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see each other next week. Bye bye.